This is really bad. Really, 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 really bad. So I have jacked it up and taken out the nut. So let me remove the wheel. I have to inflate it and get enough air in a tire because it's really, really, really flat, so that I can get to fix it and check for where there's leakage. Really, really low. You can see the PSI is 0, like he went that low. So from my guess, I feel it's a very small leak, so I have to seriously scrutinize this tire. So I made 2 water bottle solution. The reason why it has to be in soap water, so that it's easy to identify the spot where the leakage is. So let me start. Yeah, so that's the bubbles. Oh, so this is it. I didn't even notice this before. This is where the issue is. So I'm going to mark this. I don't even need to mark it because it's an obvious spot. So let me just check for another area. So before I take this out, let me just show you guys what I will use to fix it, because there will be a lot of air that will be escape from the tire, so I don't have much time to switch between having to remove this and starting this. So this is what I used to fix the tire. This tool, this accessory actually. So let me get this ready. I'm going to take this out, one of these out. It's quite easy to do. Then put this inside the hole. Make sure it goes in halfway. Inside this. You have this here. Then let me bring this out in case I need this. You use this when the hole is kind of small, because you need to make a big hole from this. Does it? It's coming out fast. Because I don't want to pump this again. That's why I'm trying to hold it, so I have to make more hole. Because if the hole is not big enough, it will be hard for this to go in. To give you more work. The hole has to be the size of this tool. So after doing this, then you quickly put this inside. The best way to put this inside, turning, pushing in and turning. Pushing in and turning. Then after it's like this, then you just remove. Then you can trim this side out. so you can double check. So it's not leaking. It's fine. So that's it. Then install your tire and inflate it to the right PSI. Thanks for watching.